Welcome to Study Loop.
Good day. The topic is about empirical formula. We note that empirical formula is the simplest formula for a certain compound. Now, let us note or let us consider a hydrocarbon. So we say HC. A hydrocarbon, by the way, is made up only of hydrogen and carbon, which burns, and this hydrocarbon burns with oxygen to produce the following amount of gaseous products. So when hydrocarbon burns in air with oxygen in air, it yields carbon dioxide and water. And give if suppose we are given with 33.0 grams of carbon dioxide and 13.51 grams of water. So we wish to find the empirical formula for this hydrocarbon. So we start by noting or by assuming complete combustion so that all of the carbon turns into carbon dioxide and all of the hydrogen into water so that we can solve for the amount of carbon from the amount of carbon dioxide and the amount of hydrogen from the amount of water. So we first note the following molar masses. For CO2, we have 44.01 grams per mole, and for water, we have 18.02. So we start by solving for the moles of carbon. So we are given with 33.01 grams of carbon dioxide. So we will multiply that by the conversion factor that relates moles with the grams. So that's given by the molar mass. So we have 44.01 grams of CO2 equivalent to 1 mole of CO2. Multiply that by now the conversion factor that relates the moles of C in CO2, which is from the formula of CO2 itself, we find that the subscript of C is 1, so that implies 1 mole of CO2 equals 1 mole of carbon. So what we will do is multiply this multiplying fraction where numerators multiply and the denominators also multiply. So we get 33.01 over 44.01, or that's 0.75. Let's solve for the moles of C this time, moles of H rather this time. So that's from the moles of, or the given mass of water. So that's 13.51. Convert these to moles of water using its own molar mass, given that 18.02 grams of water is equivalent to 1 mole. And now for the relationship between moles of H and moles of water, from the subscript of H in the formula of water, we find that 2 moles of H can be found in 1 mole of water. So again, we base that on the subscript of H in H2O. Solving gives us 13.51 times 2 over 18.02. That gives us 1.5. So the hydrocarbon contains 0.75 moles of carbon for 1.5 moles of hydrogen. So we will take the mole ratio of hydrogen and carbon. So that's 1.5 over 75, or that's 2 over 1. So this implies that we find in the empirical formula that for every mole of C, we have 2 moles of H. So the empirical formula is CH2. I hope this helps.